Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really cool to show you. It's a brand new episode mod that's working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. If you love reading stories and want to unlock everything without waiting, then this one's for you. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss anything important. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more awesome content like this. So let's talk about what this mod can do. Once you open episode, just tap the gear icon to bring up the mod menu. From there, you'll see the main feature, unlimited passes and gems. Once you activate it, all your resources are maxed out and ready to use. It's that easy. There are also a few other tweaks available in the mod menu, which make the game even more fun to play. To make sure everything works properly, you need to have the latest version of Episode installed on your device. If you're not sure where to get this mod, I've left a comment down below where I explain everything you need to know to get started. If this mod works for you, let me know in the comments. I love hearing your feedback, and I'll try to reply to as many of you as I can. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more mods and tips. You can get this mod on appheaven.top.